Yes, hello students, Namaskara. I hope it's audible to everyone. Yes, is it audible? Hello. So, how many of you have joined? Tell me. Okay, so let me check once the sound. Okay, yes, hello students. Okay, so it's audible to everyone, right? Okay, good. Hmm. So, let us solve. So, this is the paper Q. So, I will be solving first paper Q and then you can check the answers, and also I will tell the answer key for other papers. Okay. Yes, hello students. So tell me, Trishan has joined. Okay, good. Yes, who are all have joined? Tell me your names. Okay, yes. Hmm. Okay, good. Yes, so many students have joined. Very good. Thank you. So yes, let us see the paper. So I will be telling first the answer key for Q, and then other answer key also I will be telling. Okay. Okay. So here, let us see the Sainik paper. I hope everyone has done really good. Okay. Okay. So the Q answer key, let us see. So the question paper was, yes, English was easy and maths was easy, right? Easy to medium, not tough. But GK, yes, some questions were little tough, yes, okay. But whatever we taught came, and mental ability was also easy, right? So everything was accordingly, right? Easy only, okay. So if you see the first question of English, if I dash a doctor, if I were a doctor will be the proper, right? If I were a doctor, I would serve the poor. So second, I don't know why she left the house. So why would be the answer. Third one, we are meeting him next week. So 2 is the answer. Okay. Now fourth question, that is everything is fine. Question tag for this is positive, negative it will become isn't it, right? Isn't everything means that is a thing. So isn't it, option D will be the answer. Now fifth question, there is no doubt. Question tag is no is a negative, so positive is there, is there will be the answer, option C. Okay. Next, she lives in her ivory tower, so that is a imaginary world. So it is a imaginary world. So it can also be she lives in an isolated building, but it is a literal meaning. Ivory means that is a luxury house, right? So it is a literal meaning. If you go in a idiom phrase, so idiom phrase will be imaginary world. Okay. So she lives in her imaginary world. So once cup of tea means it is easy to do and it is liking. So once liking, so that is once cup of tea is once liking, option 2 is the answer for 7. Next, so that is you have been working very hard. So this is a present perfect continuous tense. So you have been working, working is continuous, have been is a perfect, so present perfect continuous, right? So continuous and perfect, that is present perfect, it is continuing now also, so that is why present perfect continuous will be the answer here. Okay now. Okay, so that is 8th one, D answer. 9th, you do you work more than Neelam, that is a comparison, degree of comparison is more will be the answer here. Okay. Now 10th question, fill in the blanks with correct degree of comparison. Arun ran fastest of all, he is the fastest, so that is the second answer. You read the passage and according to the passage, so the first question, APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram, it is given here, right? So born and raised in Rameshwaram. And second one, so according to the passage, choose the incorrect. Incorrect is Kalam received Bharat Ratna. So no, he received which, that is Padma Vibhushan, not Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan. So that is the wrong, that is the incorrect sentence. Okay. Next, 13, United Nation recognize students day, right? So students day here is the answer. Now that is 14th, Kalam has led India from one of this, that is the technology. Here technology is a noun, technology is a noun. So recognize means, that is synonym of recognize, identify. Recognize means identify. So 15th is option C. Okay. Okay, next 16th answer. So he has retired dash the business, he has retired from the business. Aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Over, it will not be over. Why? Because building is there, it flew, movement is there, but clouds will always be there, right? So it is above, going above, right? So if it is a building, it flew away, so that is will be the answer. Over will be for building but not for cloud, so it is above the clouds. So adjective, adjective is a description of a noun. Noun means person, gender or anything, right? So person can be blind, blame, no, blame, blaming, that is a verb. Bite, bitten, that is a verb. Birth, that is a different. So blind is the correct, person is a blind, so that is a describing a verb, that is noun. So adjective is a what? Blind here, answer. 19th, she has dash for 1 month's leave, she has asked for 1 month's leave. Okay. So 20, demolished, demolish means once it will demolish, right? You know, demolish means breaking the building in at once, like blasting. If you blast, it will break at once. So erect, direct answer will be erect, so that is not grow. Grow means grow will be slowly, demolish will happen in an instant, opposite instant means erect. So that is why fourth is the answer for 20. Okay, so I hope everyone is understanding. Okay, anything, any doubt? Next here, 21, the darkest cloud has a silver lining, option A. The next 22, biscuit is fourth correct. Okay, so simile, simile means comparison, comparison of kind, right? So he runs like a leopard, right? So that is comparison and we are telling the meaning. Okay, so that is 23 is second one. 24th, so we have to find the correct verb. So Lokesh was busy when we went to see him, that is the answer. So correct verb will be went. Okay, 25th, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb. So rupee, 40 rupee is a small amount, is will be the answer, rupees. Okay, so not r, 40 rupees are a small, no, so 40 rupees is a small amount for this, that is 25 is B answer. I hope everyone understood. Okay, so any doubt, let me know in the comment box. Okay, okay, good. So the how was the question paper, students? Tell me. So everyone join. Okay, so let me once inform all the students. Wait here. Okay, so I how was the English? Easy only. Okay, okay. So now let us do the next, that is section B, mathematics. Okay, so cost of 18 notebooks is given and 1296. Then the cost of 11 notebooks, it is direct cross multiplication, right? So what is the will be the answer here? Okay, just a minute. Okay, so should I solve or directly tell the answer? Tell me. Okay, okay. So here answer will be option D, 792, right? So 18 notebooks, this much, 1296, and then 11 notebooks, how much? So cross multiply 11, 1296 divided by 18 into 11, right? So if you do the calculation, you will get 792. I am not doing the calculation. Okay, so I will tell the answers first and then we will discuss. So, or do you want the answer key, that is explanation? We'll do it later on. Okay, explanation we'll do it later on. So 27, so a pole has 1/4 and then 2/5 colored. So they are asking green color, painted green color, then the green color you have to find it. The remaining is green. So remaining is green means from 1 full, 1/4 and 2/5 if you minus, you will get answer as how much? That is 7/20. Okay, that is the answer for 27. Okay, so next here, so I will mark the answer, better I will mark the answer, then we will see. Okay, so 28th, if you take that side minus, so 28th will be 4. Yes, okay, so 28, I hope everyone got it. So 28th, then 29, so 29 will be answer 4. Okay, 29, 30 will be second answer, and then 31 answer is fourth one. Okay, so 31, 32 is first one, and then 33 is, that is XVV, first one. Okay, 34 is 3. Okay, yes, tell me the answer for 35 now. So what is the 35? That is the fourth one. 36 is first one. 37 is the first one. 38 is fourth one. 39 is, that is second one. Okay, 40 here, 40 answer, what will be the 40 answer? 40 answer is third one. Okay, 41 is third one. This is question paper Q, students. Okay, 41 is third one. 42 is second, sorry, 42 is fourth answer. 42 is fourth answer, and 43 is fourth answer, and 44 is first answer. Okay, and 45 is fourth answer, and 45th is first answer. Okay, and 47 is first answer, and 48 is fourth answer. Okay, and then 49 is second, and 50 is first one. Fifty-one is first one. 52 is first one, and then 53 is also what? First one. Okay, and then 54 is fourth. Okay, this is question paper Q. 54 is fourth, and then 55 is fourth. Okay, 56 is fourth. Okay, 56th. 57 is minus 40 degree will be the answer. Okay, 57. 58 is 98.6. Okay, 59 is fourth one, and 60 is first answer. Okay, this is question paper Q, answer key. And 60 done. 61 is first one. Okay, 62, so if you see 62 is fourth one, sorry, fourth one, right? 62 is fourth one. And 63 is fourth one, 64 is first one. Okay, 65 is first one, and then 66, if you see, that is second one. 67 is second one, and 68 is second. 69 is third, and 70 is second. 71 first. Okay, 72 is third, and 73 is first one. 74th is third, and then 73rd is first, then 74 is 3, that is 6. 75 is first. 75 is first. So these are the answers for maths. Okay. Okay, so maths I will explain it later on. Okay, so I hope everyone got the answer key. I will explain it. Okay, so we'll go to intelligent students. Okay, complete this. So what is happening here? If you see, B, C is not there, D, E is not there, F, G, H, I, J, K is there, L, M is not there, N, O is not there, P. After P, Q will come. Q, R will not be there, S, T will not be there, U. So Q, S, U is option what? Second one. Okay. Next, find the sequence of the following words as they appear in the English dictionary. So first CA will come, right? First, and then after that, if you see second letters OL, H will come. After that, H will come. Okay, so that is why this will be the first, this will be the second. So that is D and C. So D and C, which option? Option 3, right? So 77 is option C. Okay, next 78. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so 77 will be, that is third answer, 150. Why? Because here minus became what? Minus means into 25 5s, and then plus means what? That it became minus here. Okay, and then into became here, into became divided by, and then division became what? Here plus. So this will become plus. So here 25 5s are 125. So 5 divided by 10. So 5 2s are 10. So 10 means 25 5s are will be 125, and then plus that is here minus here. Okay, so this will become minus 5 2s are 10 here, and then here 5, that is plus 5. Okay, so 125, sorry, 128 will be the answer. 78, that is 128, not 150. Okay, 128 is correct. So that is 125 minus 2, 123 plus 5, 128. So 78 is, that is 128. Okay, 79, here a man is, that will be the sister answer. So 79 is A, that is correct. Okay, so how? If you see your mother, so the lady, here is the lady. Okay, lady's mother. Okay, mother's husband. Okay, mother's husband, sister, mother's husband's sister is what? Aunt. So lady's aunt, so that sister is also lady's aunt, then his aunt also. So they are brothers and sisters, right? So they are brothers and sisters, they are brothers and sisters. Okay, so she will be sister, option A will be the correct. Understood? Okay, so next 80 question. First two terms are related in some way to establish the same relation. So what is happening here? It is opposite. If you see A B, C, D. I told you to write, right? So that is Z, Y, X, W, V. So C opposite X, E opposite V. So opposite words we have to take. So C, X, E, V, Z, T. So if you see E, F, G, H. So two letters, leaving two letters. C and then D is gone, E, then G, then H. After that I will be here. I will come. So I and then 18R is the correct answer for 80. Okay. So 80 is C option. So that is, if you see, then C, you got that H, I will come. And then second letter, if you see, 6 plus how much? 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 4, 18 will come in the middle. Then R. So I opposite R will come. If you take here R, S, T, U, V, like that. So opposite of I, R will come. So R, I, 18, R is the correct answer. So 81 here. So what is the 81 if you see? Okay. So 81 question. So what is that? Interest which cannot be made. They are asking which can be made. So only nest we can made. Here O is not there, M is not there, and the S is not there. Okay. So that is why only nest we can make. So 82, if you see, they have given letters, we have to find according to this. So which letter is the second to the right of seventh from the right end? So we should go from the last. So right end, seventh letter, right end, this is the right end, seventh letter. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh is the P. And from there, right of second. So second right from there, second right from there, again right side we have to go. So this right side second will be what? Y letter is the answer option. So this is the right end. So seventh letter, and from that right end will be, that is Y second from the P. Okay. So that is the answer option D. Now international. So all the letters you have to write it, students, all the letters you have to write it here. Okay. So that is ninth is the answer correct. Okay. So if you see here, so what? A, there are two A's, and then after that will come what? E, right? And then I is how many times here? 2 times. And then N 3 times, right? Then comes O. So how many are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth is O. So that is the answer option. A is the, O is ninth, 83. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to 84. This is the mirror image direct here. So this is near means this will be near, and this is near means this will be near. That is A is the answer. Okay. Okay. 84th is mirror image A. 85th. So there are total 15. There are total 15 are there. So 3 group if you make, XYZ, 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 XYZ will come. So very easy. Z will come, then Y will come, Z, Z, Z will come. So that is A is the answer. XYZ, XYZ, XYZ is the correct sequence. Next here 86 here. So 86 if you see, so that is, what is the answer, tell me? So AB, DG, HM. So what is happening? You take separately A, then after the first letter first, then H, then M, then what? So first letter you take first. Okay. So 86 is SB is the answer. Okay. Yes. So what is happening here? A to D. A to D, how many gone? B, C, 2 are gone. Then first letter, I am only taking first letter first. Okay. So then D to H, D to H. After D, E, F, G, and then H will come. So first 2 letters gone, then second, third 3 letters gone. After H, M is there. So after H, I, J, K, L, then M comes. So that is 4 letters gone, right? So first 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 letters will go. So that is after M, NOPQR. So that is 5 letters gone. Okay, 5 letters gone means S will be the starting letter. So S means that is the answer option. Second is the answer for 86. Okay, got it. So next 87, choose the odd one from the following. So sun is the star, right? 87, sun is the star, so that is why different. These are all planets. Okay, 88. So what is happening? 1 2 3 2, then 3 2 7 4 2 4, then 7 to 15 8, then 15 to 31 16 we have added. So that is 2 4 8 16, that is double. 2 double 4, 4 double 8, 8 double 16, 16 double 32 we have to add. So 32 if you add, so 31 plus 32 will be 63. Answer option A correct. Now 89. So according to ascending order of the duration we have to add. So ascending means small to big. Smaller is seconds. So C will be first, and then minute is second. So CE. So CE is in 3 options. Then after that will be, third will be hour. Okay. So that is CEA. CEA is option third one correct. Okay. Got it? Okay. So 89 is third one. Next here 90 question. So what is the 90 question? Okay. So here if you see 90 question, X is brother of Y's son's son. Then how is X related to Y? So X is brother of Y's son. X is brother of Y's son. Y's son here brother. X is brother, right? Then X related to Y. So that is brothers here. Brothers means Y will be the father. So that is option 3. 90 is option 3. Next 91. 91 is easy. So just minus it. 20 minus, that is 18 minus 15 is 3. Then 17 minus 12, 5. So 10 minus 14, 4. So 20 minus 4, and it is 24. 4 will be the answer. Option 4. Don't be confused. So it is not 3 4 5 6. It is like this. That is minus these two numbers. Okay. So then you will get the answer. 92 here. So what is happening here? So here P went to last, and then A came first, and then L same, and Y came here, right? So if you apply the same, MAG, so G will go last, and then what is that? The third letter M will come in the starting, right? So M is the starting, and then second letter A is same, then E will be coming here, right? So that is the answer, MAG. That is third one is the 92. Okay. Next 93 question. So 93 question if you see, BA3. So what is happening? B is second letter, A is third, first. So 2 plus 1 3, D4, B2, 4 plus 2 6. Like that you have to do, add and do it. So if you see in the options, H is what? 8 and D is 4. So 4 plus 8, 12. That is only correct, not others, right? V is very big letter. So E is 5, not possible. So those will not be possible. So only D is the answer for 93. Next 94. It is easy. What? Just we have to minus 25 minus 16, 9. 49 minus 36, 13. So 100 minus 121, that is 21 is the answer, right? So 21 is the answer, option B. Minus it. These you have to minus them. Okay, just minus, you will get the answer. Now 90. Iraq, that is currency is dinar, UAE currency is dirham. That is third correct one. Okay, so 95 is third correct. So 96 students. What will be the 96? Tell me. So 0 to 2, 2 to 6, we are adding how much? First we added 0 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 4 plus, that is 4, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8. So that is, we are adding 2, 4, 6, 8. So 12 plus 8, 20 will be the answer. So if you write 20 here, 20 plus 10, 30. That is the correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 we are adding. Okay. Okay, good. Next 97 question. So 97 question, what is happening? You see. So from here to here 90 degree it rotated one time. But it is going back again. Reverse. It is going reverse half. That is 45 degree. Right? 45 degree. And then again it rotated 90 degree. And then it will come back 45 degree, it will be here. So it will be pointing this side. Understood? So that is the answer, option 3 for the 97. Okay. Okay. Next here students, 98 question. So 98, how many will be there? So that is 10 triangles will be there. Okay. So you can check here. So here if you see 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 smaller ones. Okay. So bigger one 5, then smaller ones, that is 2, 4, 6, then 7, 8, then this bigger one 9, and then there will be one more this side, that is 10. Okay. So 10 triangles will be there. So 99, that is opposite. That is opposite. So opposite means this third will be the answer here, right? 99 is what? That is third one answer, opposite. These are all opposite. Okay. 100. So chess is an indoor game. Football, cricket, hockey are outdoor games. That is the 100 is first one correct. Okay. So next, general knowledge. Should we do general knowledge? Okay. So if a person does not know how to swim, he will not drown in Dead Sea. Yes, because it is a very high salt concentration. So that is very high density. So yes, that is correct. And second one, it is the least salty. No, that is wrong, false. First is true and second is false. Okay. So that is why answer will be what? That is third one. Statement 1 is and 2 is incorrect. Okay. So that is first one correct, second one is incorrect will be the answer here, right? Okay. Next 102. So you can go with options easily for 102. Jodhpur is in Rajasthan, right? Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. If you know, it is easy. Kozhikode is in Kerala. So if you know these two only, you can easily solve, because Valsad and Kulu Manali, that is, you may feel little difficult. Manali, yes, Manali is very famous, right? So Manali is very famous. Manali is in, you should remember, that is Himachal Pradesh. Then Valsad is Gujarat, right? So that will be the answer. So if you see Jodhpur, you can easily find it out. So that is what? So that is Rajasthan. Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. So A is 2. A is 2 is in two options. Okay. First one and fourth one. Then next let us see Kozhikode is in Kerala. Easy na? So that is here Kozhikode is in Kerala. C is fourth one. C is fourth is in option fourth, that you can easily mark then. Right, easy. Or you can remember this Manali. Manali is in Himachal Pradesh. So that is D should be 4. D should be 1. So D is 1 in option fourth only. Right. So you can easily do that like that. And then Valsad is in Gujarat. Okay. Okay, good. Next 103 here. 103. So the minimum age for girls is 18 years. Boys is 21 years. Third one is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, good. Next 104. Capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi, right? So that is easy. Next 105 here. So banyan tree does not have roots under the ground like other tree. How can it grow then? If there are no roots, how can it grow? First it has to have roots. Then how can it grow? Not possible. So that is false. First one is false. That is incorrect. Okay. Second one. So roots of banyan tree grow down from the branches until they reach the ground. Yes, that is true. You may have seen, right? Correct. So first one is incorrect, second one is correct. So first one is incorrect, second one is correct. That is the first option for the 105. Okay. Okay. So next here, that is 106. Among the following, discovered the mosquito spread the malaria. Ronald Ross. We told you, right? That is, you should remember that. 106 is Ronald Ross, first option. 107. Which of the following is President of India wrote the book Blow Hot, Blow Cold? So you should remember the president, it will be easy. So that is answer is Zakir Hussain wrote the book. Okay, Zakir Hussain wrote the book Blow Hot, Blow Cold. Okay, so Rajendra Prasad. Then you can remove the answer. So that is third and fourth not possible, because third that is fourth one is not the, they are not president. So yes, Pratibha Devi Patil was president, but she didn't wrote any books. And Rajendra Prasad, yes, he didn't wrote any books. So that is Zakir Hussain will be the answer. That is second one. Okay, got it. So next, which of the following not obtained from petroleum? Yes, petroleum, kerosene is there, grease is will be there, solar energy, hydel energy means that is from the waves. Okay, so solar energy means from the sun. So C and D is not possible, right? So C and D only will be the answer, option third one. Okay, next one not wrote. Who wrote the book How We Found the Earth is Round? That is Isaac Asimov is the answer, right? So Isaac Asimov is the answer, fourth one. Next, so here things keep floating in the spaceship from one end to another end. Yes, that is correct, no gravity. So the earth has gravitational pull. So that is first one is what? Correct. Second one, earth has a gravitational pull. That is also correct actually, right? So both statements are correct. Earth has gravitational pull, not in space. But they have not given in space. They have given earth has gravitational pull. Yes, that is correct. Earth has gravitational pull, right? So that is why answer will be second one. Okay, got it. Both statements are correct. Next, 111. Put the points in a sequence for obtaining salt from the seawater. So first we have to collect the water in a shallow bed dug in the sand. So that is B. Then water is to be dried to allow. Then C. First B, C, then A will come. B, C, A, that is option A will be the answer. Now 112. Which of the following is known as the soil's friend? That is earthworm. Okay, 112. 113. What will be the answer, students? That is, who is Bachendri Pal? The first woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest, third one. Okay, so 115. Hyderabad is famous for which? Golconda Fort. So this is all from the last year question. This one came, right? So that is Golconda Fort. Next, 116. According to Forest Act, so it should be 25 years. It should be 25 years. And which planet doesn't has the ring around it? That is Venus doesn't has the ring around it. Okay. So 118. So what is that? How many commands? That is 36 commands. So option 1 will be 36 commands. Okay. H2O is water, right? So 119. 120. So tallest statue in India is Statue of Unity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that is in Gujarat. Okay, so that you should remember. So that is Iron Man of India. 121. So untouched film is made by, that is Stalin K. So Stalin K. It is in 2005 or 6, 2006 maybe. Yes, he made that film. Okay, Stalin K. So he made that film. Okay, India untouched. Next, 112. Which following statement is not correct? Not correct means wrong. So fishes give alarm. Yes, correct. Using the electric signal. Snakes do not have ears. Yes, they feel vibration. Yes, correct. Some birds give different warning when they are enemies coming from sky and land. Yes, that is correct. Animals that are awake during the day can see things in black and white. No, they cannot see. They see in the color. During the day they see in the color. Only in the night they see in the black and white, right? So that is why option D is incorrect. Not correct, right? Not correct. So 123. So you can go with easily options. So we have to match and preserve. How to preserve them? Milk, we boil it. So C is first. Which option has C is first? Tell me. So C is first in 2 options. Next, you can easily remember coriander. That is a green leaf. So to green leaf, we have to keep it in damp cloth so that it retains the moisture, water, right? So D will be second. So D will be second is the option, third one, right? So that is the answer. You can easily go with only 2. So cooked rice, what we have to do? Put in a bowl and keeping the bowl in a container of some water, right? And B, onion and garlic, third one, keeping in an open dry place, because onion garlic will be what? They don't need moisture, they will be dry. So that is why we have to keep it dry only, right? So that is why, so third one is the answer for 123. Understood everyone? Okay. So next 124 students. 124, what is the answer? In which year did Gandhiji start his Dandi Matra? 1930 will be the answer. 1930. Yes. Okay. So next 125. So for this you can easily remember Bihar, Madhubani. That is correct. And Telangana you can see it as Ponchampalli. That if you identify these two, more than enough. So if you see Bihar is Madhubani, that is C is 2. C2 is where that is 2 options. And then B4 is in this. So C2, B4, second answer is the correct. That is Assam, there is a silk, a different type of silk. Okay, so that is correct. Kashmiri, that is embroidery. Okay, you may have seen in the mountains there will be different colors, embroideries will be there, right? So you may have seen in the movies, they will go for shopping, right? So that is embroidery is famous, right? And Assam, there is a silk, one type of silk that is famous. Okay, so that is second is the answer for 25th. I hope everyone understood, got the answer key for this. Yes students, yes. Okay, so this was the paper was, yes, kind of medium, not tough, not easy also, yes, medium paper. GK wise everything was covered maximum. Yes, some questions they have given statement and then listing, yes, otherwise it was easy only. Okay, yes, because we had covered. Yes, there will be new questions, it cannot be all the questions from the whatever we teach, you have to apply your brain, right? And then little bit what maths was very easy, right? Maths was easy only, right? So how do you feel, tell me students? Everyone like the video? Students like the video? Yes, how was the maths, tell me? Was it easy, difficult? Okay, okay, good. So yes, it was easy only, not so difficult also. Yes, intelligence is very easy, right? So everything was easy. So I hope everyone will score good, right? Okay, okay, good. So this is the answer key for the question paper Q. Okay, okay. So should we go to the other answer key or it's enough? Okay, fine. Yes. So this is the answer key for this. That is, I hope you understood. So should we solve the maths? I will solve the maths here. Okay. So the maths, if you see here, so this, that is 18 is 1296, 11 will be how many? That is cross multiply 11 into 1296 divided by 18. So 18 and 1296 if you cancel, what answer you will get? That is 18 ones are 18, 18 how much? 18 sevens are 126, 3 will be remaining, 18 twos are 36. So 72 into 11, 11 twos are 22, carry 2 here, 11 sevens are 77, 77 plus 2, 79. That is option D will come. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the answer. Then 27. Yes, I will make the answer key for all the paper students. So you have to little bit wait for some time. Okay, then okay. 27. So a pole is painted in 3 colors. 1/4 is what? That is black. 2/5 is red, and then green is remaining. So one will be full. From that 1/4 is black. 2/5 is red. So we have to minus red and black. Then you will get the color, right? So if you take LCM 4 and 5 20. Here 20 we have to multiply 20 minus here for 4 we have to multiply with 5. So minus 5, and for 2 we have to multiply with 4. So 4 to is 8, minus 8. So 20 minus 5, 15. And 15 minus 8, 7. So 7 by 20 answer will come, right? Okay, na? Okay, good. Next here, 28. So this minus will go that side, means plus. So we have to add it. Okay. So that is 2, 4 by 5 means how much it is? That is 5 to is 10, 14 by 5 plus 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. So 5, 6 LCM 30. So here we have to multiply 6 here and 5. So that is 14 6 how much? 84 plus 23 5 is 115. So if you add it, it will be how much? That is 1 okay. So it will be 184 plus 15, 199 by 30. 36 180, 19 will be remaining. So 6 and 19 by 30 is the answer, right? Option D is the answer. Okay. Okay, good. So next question here, 29. Okay. So if you do the answer key, students, I better will do the answer explanation later on. I hope you got the answer key for question paper Q. Okay. So I will create the answer key for next question paper. Should we go for question paper P? Yes. P question paper answer key should we discuss? Okay. So here, who are students P? Listen here. So she lives in her ivory tower. So that is a she lives in imaginary world, option A. And then next, one's cup of tea means that is easy and one's liking, right? So when you feel easy, when it is you like it, right? So that is why. Next, you have been working very hard is a present perfect continuous tense, first one. So this is the answer key for P paper. Okay. Next, that is fourth. Do you work more than Neelam is the answer. And fifth, that is fastest. Arun ran fastest. So the dark cloud has a silver lining. Okay. Next, seventh, biscuit. A is the correct answer. Next, eighth, he runs like a leopard. Simile means that is comparison. He runs like a leopard. That is third one is the eighth answer. Next, ninth one. So Lokesh was busy when we went to see him. That is option A. One ninth one. Okay. Next, 10th. So what is it? That is 40 rupees is a small amount. So 10th one is C answer. Next, 11th one, he has retired from the business. That is fourth one is the answer for 11th question. 12th question, aeroplane is flying above the clouds. That is C1. 12th one is C. And 13th here, identify the adjective from the given options. Blind is the adjective because it describes the noun. A person is blind. So that is describing a noun. So that is why second is the adjective blind. Okay. So birth, bite and blame. They are what? Verb they are. They are verb. Okay. Birth is also that is like a process, but we can take a different. So blind is the correct one. So 14th, she has dash asked for 1 month's leave. So that is D is the answer for 14th. 15th, demolish. Demolish means that is break at once. So if you want to break opposite at once means that is erect at once, right? Erect will be the answer, not grow. Demolish means we break at once, right? Building demolished. So big building demolished once. So that is why. So erect at once, that will be happening once only. So that is why at a means that is small amount of time. Growing will take lots of time, right? Erect is the answer. Next, 16. If you see, if I were a doctor will be the answer. 17. So what is that 17? I don't know why she left the house. A is the answer for this is the P. Okay, P paper. Next, 18th. We are meeting him next week. That is 18th answer. 19th is that is everything is fine. Is opposite will be isn't it. That is the answer 19th. Okay. Next 20. So there is no doubt. No is coming. So we have to take is there. Okay. So that is 20. Third one. Okay. So these are the answer. 21st. If you see, APJ Abdul Kalam was born in Rameshwaram. It is given in passage. Okay. Rameshwaram. Next 22. So that is according to the passage, choose the incorrect statement. Kalam received the Bharat Ratna in 1991. That is wrong. So he received Padma Vibhushan, not Bharat Ratna. Okay. 23. So United Nations recognize Kalam's 79th birthday as Students' Day. It is given here, Students' Day. Now, so that is technology is a noun. Recognize means identify. Okay. 25th. Now, 26th. So a brick. So that will be 27 answer. So I will mark the answer. This is 27. And then number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. So how many numbers are there between? Yes, 7 is the answer. And then this is that will be 7 answer, right? So there are 7 triangles here. Okay. 29, right? Wait here. $73. Okay, let me check in this. What is that answer? Otherwise, wait, I will solve otherwise. Yes, 6 is the answer. Okay, so 6 is the answer here. Okay, so 6 is the correct answer for this. That is 29th question. Okay. Okay. 29th is C. That is the P paper. Okay. Now 30. So 3 equal angles and all. So that is equilateral triangle. A will be 2. A will be what? 2. So that is what? And 2 equal angles means isosceles. So B will be 1. A will be 2. B will be 1 means fourth answer. Okay. Yes. So K plus 1 and all, that is 14 is the answer. And then employees 25% are given promotion. So that is the answer. How much? So that is the answer. How much? That is yes, 310 is the answer. Okay. 33. So that is 12.5% is the correct answer. Okay. 33. This is the P answer key. Okay. So 34 is 17.25. Okay. So 34. And then 280 is the correct answer for 35. And 36 is 10 point, that is a number. Okay, so 172918 is the correct answer. Okay, so that is yes. Okay, next is 40 degree, minus 40 degree will be the answer. 37 and then 38, that is A is the answer. Okay, 98.6. the smallest of them is 11 by 9. Okay, and then 40 here, so that is answer will be 5 by 6, 7 by 9. That is option D here. Okay, then okay, next is 41. So 41, if you see Harpreet family. Okay, so 7 point, what answer will come? 695, that is first one. Okay, 41 is first one. 42, so here which of the following is equal to this? That is 909. So that is D answer. And this is 43 is fourth answer. And 44 is 150. 45 is what? That is A answer. And 46 will be, that is 792. Okay, 47 will be 7 by 20. Okay, 47 will be 7 by 20. That is paper P here. Okay, yes. 47, 48. So this, if you take minus that side, that will be answer how much? That is 6 and 9 by 30. 6 and 19 by 30. Option A is the answer. Okay, here that is 48. 49. So 49. So that is 870 and 1450. So option A. And 50 will be 8 is to 19. Okay, so that is option C. This is paper P here, students. 51. So 51, if you see, that is answer is yes, so that is 10.25, second one. 52, so that is 909.339. A answer 52. Okay, 53. So what is the 53 answer? That is 35 kilometer. 54 is 100 meter. Okay, 55. So if you see 1728 is the answer. 56, that is acute. 56 borrowed, that is 1000 rupees he has to give more. Okay, so that is 1000 rupees he has to give more. Okay, yes. Next here, that is 57. So 57 is 8507.25. that is A answer. 58, if you see, that will be 5 answer. Okay, so that is 53, 58, 5. 59, if you see 59, it will 132 here. Okay, 59, 60, this is P paper students, okay, P paper answer key. 60 will be 150 answer, okay. 61 is, that is yes, 2 and 5 less than, so that is 10 is the answer here, okay. Okay, so next here, that is if you see for the 62 question, so K value, so that is 27 3s are 81, so this is 3 times all. 62 is, that is D1, okay. Okay, 63, so the answer will be, okay, so 8 meter, that is 8 is the answer here, okay. 24, no, so that is 63, right. 81, so that is okay, so 63 you divide it directly, so 24 how much are, 24 4s are 96, 4 3s are 32, so that is 32 is the answer. 63, okay, so 64, that is 8 meter will be the answer, okay. So 8 meter will be the answer. HCF you have to find 64, okay. So 65, so 32 apples, 52 apples will be how much, that is 832 answer A. So 66 answer is, so that will be, so if you see here, so half of right angle and its half, difference of right angle and its half, that is right angle 90 degree, half will be 45, so 90 minus 45, 45, that is 5 by 9 times of 45, 9 5s are 45, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 15, 40 will come acute angle, okay. Yes, next here 67, if you see 67, 80 is an acute angle, so A will be 3, A will be 3, and then 90 is right angle, that is B will be 4, A will be 3, B will be 4, and then C will be 120 obtuse, okay, that is 2, so that is fourth one is the answer for 67, okay. Okay, next, that is 68, so 68, if you see here, APC is a arc, APC is a arc means that is here C will be 2, C will be 2, where it is, that is only one option, A is the answer, okay, that is 68, it is 68 is A. 69, so 69, what is the question, radius of a circle is twice of the center of a circle is lies in interior, yes, correct, both are correct, so both are correct means that is statement 1 and 2 are correct, so that is third answer, okay. 69, so 70, a cuboidal container, so that is 1000 centimeter is the answer, and 71, shopkeeper has an article, okay, so answer for this, so 465 correct, okay, so that is 72, 72 is 10%, okay. 73 is 50, okay. 74, so 74 is how much, 51. 75, so natural numbers till 10 will be 5.5 answer, okay. So that is the answer for maths for P paper, okay. Okay, so should we go to the next, that is section C, intelligence. So answer will be nest here, and then Y here, and then international, so that is ninth letter, okay. So ninth will be the answer here, and then this, what is the mirror image, so if the mirror image will be option A, okay. Next here, that is here Z Y Z Z Z, that is how much, question number 80 question. Okay, so 80 answer is D. 81. So answer will be 20. Okay, 82, that is second one. 83. So how many triangles are there? 10 triangles. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. So then next 83 is done. 84. So opposite, which is opposite? That is second one. Okay, and then here chess is an indoor game, and here you have to minus 6 will be the answer. Students, don't be confused. 18 minus 15 is 3. Here 3 given, like that you have to minus these two numbers. Okay, 6 is the answer. 86. 87 m is easy answer. 88 hd12 is the answer. 89 is, we have to minus them, 21. Okay, so UAE is dirham currency. 90, 91, so that is QSU. Okay, 92, so that is so first will come camera, and then second will be chest. Okay, so that is DC, and then will come A, DCA. Okay, so that is second correct, and then 128 for 93. Okay, 94 it will be sister. 90, then 18I, 18R, that is 95 answer, second one. Okay, 96, that is SB, correct. Sun, then 97 here, 96 here. Okay, 98 it is 63, correct. 99, okay, 99 is, that is second, yes, minute and hour, yes. A, CEA is second answer. Okay, 99, 900 here, so that is, actually it should be father, so that is father is the answer for 90. Then this is 100. Okay, 100 answer is father. Next GK. So GK, if you see, what are the answers here? So Ronald Ross for 101 and Zakir Hussain. Okay, next is, that is C and D, and 104 Isaac Asimov, that is correct. Okay, 104, 105 now. So if you see 105, what is the question? Things to keep floating in. Yes, Dead Sea it is. Space, it is space. Okay, space, this is correct. This is second one, earth is gravitational field, correct. So both statement are correct. Okay, so third one. Next 106 here, this is 106. Okay, so who wrote India Untouched? That is Stalin K. Okay, 107, which is not correct. Animal awake daytime can see, yes. Black and white, no, that is in not correct. Okay, 107, this is the paper P, students. Okay, okay, next here, so that is 10, next 110. Okay, 108, 108. So cooked rice, then milk we have to boil it, right? So then C should be 1. Okay, and then onion garlic are dry, we have to keep it for dry place. Okay, so B should be 2, 3, B should be 3, C should be 1. So that is what, 2 will be the answer here. Okay, next here 109. So salt, that is Dandi March is 1930. 110 Kashmir, that is what, Bihar, Madhubani. Kashmir should be embroidery. A should be 3, A should be 3. Okay, B should be 4, yes, and then C should be 2 and D should be 1, yes, that is third one, correct. Okay, so that is 110, third one. Next 111, so 25 years, correct. And next is Venus, correct. Okay, so then 36, correct. Okay, so then next is water, H2O is a water, 114. Next 115, here Statue of Unity. Next person swim, yes, both statements are incorrect, no, so that is least salty, so that is second one is incorrect, first one is correct. So 116 correct and incorrect. Okay, so correct and incorrect. First one is correct, 116. 117, Jodhpur is in Rajasthan, Valsad is in Gujarat. So B should be 3. B should be 3 and Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. A should be 2. A should be 2, B should be 3. Okay, and Kozhikode is in Kerala. C should be 4. Okay, so A is the answer. A should be 2, B should be, that is 3, and C should be 4. Okay, so D should be 1. Himachal Pradesh. Manali is in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, next, that is 170. 118 now. So this is repeated. 118. So boy should be 21 years, girl should be 18 years. Okay, so B is the answer. 19, Abu Dhabi, UAE capital Abu Dhabi. And then 120, so banyan tree. Yes, so first one is incorrect and second one is correct. Okay, so that is both statement. First is incorrect, second is incorrect. Okay, so fourth one. Okay, yes, 120, fourth one. Next, 121. So what is given? So that is C. First we have to take water, collect, and then, so that is fourth one. 121. 122, earthworm. 123, that is boxer, no, so weightlifter. So Karnan Maheshwari was weightlifter. 123. 124, first Indian to reach Mount Everest, that is peak. Okay, so Golconda Fort, so that is Hyderabad. As 125, A is the answer. Okay, I hope everyone got it. So this is the question paper P. We discussed the answer key. Next, P, Q, then R we have to discuss, right? Okay, yes. Okay, students, so I will mark the answer key here for R. So who are R? Listen here. Darkest clouds has a silver lining. Biscuit is option 3. Okay, next, he runs like a leopard, and then went Lokesh when we went to see him. Okay, so fourth one. Fifth one is, okay, sixth one from, seventh one above, eighth one blind, ninth one asked. Okay, next, 10th answer erect, 11th were, 12th why, 13th are meeting, 14th isn't it. Okay, 15th is there. Okay, next, 16th answer, that is Rameshwaram, then 1991. Okay, that is wrong. So 18th answer, that is Students Day, right? World Students Day. Next, that is technology is a noun. Recognize means identify. Okay, 20. 21, so that is ivory is imaginary world. So 22, this is the paper R. Okay, this is the paper R. One cup of tea means easy. When it will be easy? When you like. Okay, 22, so you have a very hardworking. Yes, that is present perfect continuous tense. 24, so that is do you work more than Neelam. 25, Arun ran fastest of all, that is A. 26 now, maths. So here maths, P will be acute angle, right? P will be acute, and then this is 80 is acute. So acute, that is A is 3, B is 4, and C is 2. A is 3, B is 4, C is 2. So that is option second one. 27. Okay, 28, so APC, that is arc. Okay, so that is 28, APC is an arc. So C is 2. C is 2 is in only option 3. Okay, C is the answer for 28. 29, center of a circle lies in its interior. Yes, correct. Both statement are correct. So 29, so are true. So first one, 29. Okay, next 30 cuboidal, so 1000 will be the answer here, that is 31,000 will be the answer here. 32, so that is 507, so 32, that is second one, that is the C option, the third one, so that is 33 is 5. Okay, next 34, 34 will be, that is 132, and 35 150. Okay, next that is 10.25. Okay, yes, that is 36, 10.25 answer. Next here 909339. Okay, 37 R. 38, that is 35 kilometer. 39, 100. Okay, 39, then 40, 40 is 1728. Okay, 41 is acute, so 41 is different. 465, I think, right? So that is which type of, which question is that? Yes, yes, 465. Then 42 is 10%. Okay, 43 is what? That is 50. 44 is 51, and 45 is what? That is 5.5, and 46, this is paper R, students. Okay, this is paper R. 46 here, so that is 10. Okay, and K value will be 81. Okay, yes. Okay, so this will be 32, and then 49 will be 8. Okay, 50 will be 832. 51 will be, that is 918, option C. Okay, 51. 52 is minus 40 degree. 53 is 98.6. 54 is 11 by 9. 55 will be, that is 5 by 6, 7 by 9, 11 by 18. Okay, 56 now. 56 if you see, so that will be answer 7.695. 56, 57 is 6.909. Okay, 58 is XVV. 59 is 150. Okay, 60 will be LXXV. Okay, 61 310 18. Okay, so 792. 61, 62, that is 7 by 20. 62. Okay, 63, so 6 and 19 by 30. 64, so that is 1450. Okay, 65, 8 is to 19. Okay, next 66, 27, 1 is in both, that is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 67. 68, 7. 69, 6. Okay, then 70, equilateral triangle. Okay, so first A is 2, 2B is 1, okay, and C is, that is 4. So answer will be second one. Okay, yes. Next 71, so that is 14. Okay, 72, 25%, so that is 310. This is 17.25, that is 74 question. 75, 280. Okay, yes. So 73 is 12.5%. Okay, we missed that. 75 is a D answer. So that is intelligence should we go. So 20 here, this is D here. Okay, 78. That will be how many? So how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, then 9, 10. Right? 10 is the answer. 78. Next opposite will be this. And then 80 answer chess, 81 answer, that is third one. Okay, you have to minus these two. 82, so that is MAEG, fourth one. And then HD 12. Okay, 83, 80, you have to minus this 84, so 21. 85, that is UAE dirham. Okay, 86, what is it? That is QSU, right? So that is option A. And then that is 77. So first will be camera, second will be chest, third will be, that is A. Okay, so third one A. So that is DCA, fourth one. Okay, so that is 88 is 128, 89 is a sister, right? 90 is I18R. Okay, 90 is I18R. 20 is SB. Okay, that is 91. 91 is SB. Then sun will be the answer. Here it will be 63 and then 94. So 94, it will be, that is seconds, C, then E, then A. CEA, option 4, 94. Okay, then that is 94. 95, so 95 is father. 96. Okay, so if you see 96 here, so it will be nest. 97, it will be what? That is Y. Okay, 98, it will be 9. Okay, 99, it will be second one. 99, 100, it will be Z Y Z Z Z. Okay, 100. Then GK, so if you see GK, so here Stalin K, 101, 102, not correct. So that is animals daytime, that is not correct. Okay, so here cooked, that is onion, we have to keep it in dry. Okay, So that is B is third one. B is third one. Okay. So and that is green coriander, keep in, that is damp cloth, wrapped in damp cloth. B is third, D is 2. B is third, D is 2. And what? A is putting in ball. A is 4. Okay. A is 4. So that is only fourth option. Okay. B is 3, C is 1, and D is 2. So next 104. So that is Dandi March in 1930. And then Kashmir, that is Assam. Kashmir is embroidery. Third one is A is third. A is third, B is 4. Okay. B is 4 and C is 2, Madhubani. So that is the answer A. Okay. D is 1, silk. Okay. 105, 106 here. 106 answer is, that is 25 years. Okay. And then ring around it is Venus, option A. 107. Okay. 108 here. How many years has been armed forces? That is 36. Second one, H2O is water, and Statue of Unity, 110. Third one, 111. So that is swim. Yes, that is correct. Second one is incorrect. So first one is correct, second one is incorrect. Third option. Okay. So 111, third option. 112. So Jodhpur is in Rajasthan, Valsad is in Gujarat. So B is 3. B is 3. Then if you see which is different, A is 2. Okay. B is 3. And Kozhikode is Kerala. C is 4. C is 4. Okay. That is A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4. That is third one answer. Okay. 113. So boys should be 21, girls should be 18. Okay. So that is D answer. So that is 113. Okay. So this is the answer key for, that is R. Okay. This is the answer key for R. Okay. Next here, that is UAE. So what is that? UAE is capital of UAE is Dubai. Okay. Yes. So the Abu Dhabi, yes. So that is Abu Dhabi is the answer. Okay. So next year, 115, banyan tree. That is ground like other trees. No, that is incorrect. Okay. So second one is correct. So incorrect and correct. So that is second one. 115 is second one. 116 here. So that is BCA, second one. So that is earthworm. 117. C was a weightlifter. Okay. 118. 119. So that is first Indian woman to reach peak of Mount Everest. 119.4. 120. That is Golconda Fort. 121. Following discovered Mount Ronald Ross. Okay. 122. That is Zakir Hussain. 123. So that is C and D only. Okay. 124. That is Aisha Kasimo. Okay. 125. So that is Earth. Both are correct. Okay. So that is both are correct. So space, it will float, and then Earth has a gravity. Okay, so both are correct. 125. So this is the answer key for, that is R. Okay. Okay, so students, I will stop it here and we'll end it. Thank you. Bye bye.